Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Smile. Today we are going to do Book 5, Unit 6, page 44. We are going to make a balloon drum. Are you excited? Okay, let's get started. So let's find out what we need. So here I have a container, a round container, a balloon, one pencil, construction paper, masking tape, glue, scissors, markers, and tissue. So I think I have everything I need. So first, I'll glue paper around the container, and then I'll decorate using these markers. Okay? Okay, now look at this. I have yellow and green, right? Now we need the balloon. Okay, now I have the balloon and scissors. I need to cut here. Okay. Okay, now I need to stretch this and put it over the top of the container like this. Okay, now we have the balloon over the top of the container. And now we need to secure the balloon with masking tape. So I'll put the tape around the balloon. And I'm going to put some more here. So here you are. Now I'm going to make a tissue ball and I'll stick a pencil in it. Okay, so let's make a ball with the tissue paper. Like this. And then I'll put the tape around. So I'm wrapping the masking tape around the ball to make a drumstick. So here you are. I have the drumstick now. Look! Now it's time to play the drum and have fun. Do you like my drum? I can play the drum now. Can you show me your drum? Can you play the drum? I can play the drum. Let's sing and play the drum.
Let's smile.